channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these knotless braids. I did go with the boneless look, if you will. Give you a 360. If you're interested in achieving this look, please continue to watch this video. Here's everything you'll need for today's knotless tutorial. Here is some easy braid braiding hair. It is pre-stretched. It is in the color 1B and is 26 inches. You need some Murray's edge wax, some hair clips. You also need some scrunchies, scissors, and a rat tail comb, any edge control of your choice, and an edge brush. And here's some moisturizer that I'm using by TGIN. This is the moisturizer that I am using that I showed in the beginning that you need to get and need to use, because this stuff is bomb. I not recently, but since I've cut my hair off, I cut my hair off in October. Since then, I have been making sure I use my heat protectant. I have been making sure I moisturize my hair before I do any styles. Like, I'm not playing no games, like, very much so. I will say, this time, with my hair, I did cheat a little bit, because I had my mom part the back for me, like, just in rows, because I don't know, I just feel like anything to make this easier, let's do that. My literal goal today is to, like, how I'm making a video and stuff, I'm literally pretending like me doing my hair is an actual hair appointment. I woke up at, I was just scrolling on the phone for like about an hour. It is 8. Whoa, that's like the reflection. It is 8:17. I'm more than likely actually start my hair at, like, I'm guessing 9. I'm literally recording from my vanity right now. So if you see me looking this way, it's because the mirror's right here. Yeah, and I'm about to just part this. I always part my hair down the middle or whatever, and I always wear it down the middle, but I think this time I want to just keep it parted, like on this side, but I'm still gonna braid it in the middle. But do you get what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? You need to be if you're not, because yeah. And I so want to start posting more videos, like, on YouTube and stuff, especially if TikTok getting banned. I need to get on my Zoom. Let's get started. I got my clips assembled. I don't know why I got an edge brush in my hand. We are far from that step, baby. I parted all these rows off camera. Well, I tried to do as much as I could until my other light died. Like, I bought a what type of light did I buy? It is a selfie light, like those the big paneled selfie lights. I tried to record me, like, parting it in my room, off in my room, but as you can see, that didn't really go to plan. For this knotless braid, you are going to put a good amount of product on your hair, comb it through, be gentle. You're going to section the hair off in 3 sections, like so. You're going to stick your comb in your head, I guess. You're going to take your first piece of hair and put it between the first 2 pieces of your natural hair, and then honestly, you braid like normal. Add that hair in, and then you pull to make it a little bit, like, you pull your hair to make it a little bit tighter, and then you're going to add another piece of hair. As soon as you single out, you should have one
single piece of your natural hair out. And I'm so sorry about the lighting. I don't know if it was because I was too close or the ring light was just too high on the like setting of brightness, but my apologies. And you add your third and final piece into the braid, and then that's how you do it. I hope I explained it well. I feel like I'm terrible at explaining things, but I will show another video of me doing one again, I believe. So yeah, just stay tuned. Finish this section off camera and then come back, because this lighting, I don't know what's wrong with it today. What's up with it, what's down with it, what's sideways, I don't know, but this lighting is making me upset. So I'm literally going to, I have 4 rows left after I do this one, so I'm just gonna like I'm just gonna film this next little section just off camera, because the lighting is making me mad. So that's what I'm about to do, and then I'll come back. That way it'll give me some time to charge up the camera anyway. So yeah. Here is another little tutorial. Again, you're just taking a good amount of product and putting it on the root of your hair. You are then going to comb it out. You're going to take the hair and split it into 3 sections. I like to twist mine a little bit just for more like grip, I suppose. Then you are going to take your first piece of hair, place it between 2 pieces of your natural hair. Fold one over the other. Take your natural hair and pull it to make it a little bit tighter. Then the next singular piece that is left out is where you add your second piece of hair. You braid down a little bit more, and whichever piece feels uneven compared to the others is when you add in your third piece of hair. You can add in more hair as you go down for a longer, fuller look. Me personally, this time I did not want, I still have long braids, but I just didn't want them like thicker or fuller, I guess you could say. But yeah, that is how you do a knotless braid. This is what we got so far. Let me pause the dog on TV. I was about to say the mute button don't work. Anyways, this is what I have done so far. This is literally just this front left section of my head. I am gonna do some rows of the back and then go back up to the front. Sorry, I'm watching Vampire Diaries. I'm like, I did not want to be on an emotional roller coaster today while I was doing my hair, but I guess I have to be, because I'm not watching nothing else. Because I'm not in the mood watching nothing else, and I need to finish this because, yeah. I still can't believe it's only 4 in here. 4? And I hate odd numbers, but at least do 5. With all of this, 4 rows left. I'm so tired, I'm not even gonna lie. And it's not even late, it's 8:13. I've been going at this since 9. Literally before I could like really do anything. Off camera, I oiled my scalp and I flipped my braids to the side because I just want them to be molded down. I did not dip my hair. I'm dipping my hair and doing finishing touches tomorrow because it is 11:46, which is around the time I knew I'd get finished. I'm not gonna lie, I did waste, I would say 2 hours. I would say 2 hours because I was taking a little break like on my phone for probably one of those hours, honestly. And there were a few times I was sitting here contemplating life, but I thugged it out. Like, it's been a minute since I've done my hair like straight, you know. So yeah, we will do
little finishing touches in the AM. Good morning, it is the next day. I put a little baby oil in my water because it makes the, whoa, why is that not focused? Anyways, I put a little baby oil in my water before I did my braids and I mix it up. I know oil and water can't mix, but it's gonna mix today. The benefits of that are, it makes your braids shiny and it makes them not only shiny, but it makes them like smell good. I untied my hair, nothing, so I'm just about to do it now and see if my braids laid the way I wanted them to. It seems they have. They look cute. Okay, now I'm about to go in with some mousse. Oh, ASMR. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and please like and share this video.